Hey guys, hope everybody's keeping well. Just starting about on a little dog walk. Just thought I'd talk to you a little bit about the latest system that I've got. So currently got a perm system. I've had it in now for about 3 months, and I went back to Hair for All last week and basically got a colour in the hair. So that's something that's quite important with the hair systems, to keep the colour right, because there is oxidation and the colour does change slightly. So I don't know if you can tell, don't know if the light's good or not, but yeah, I got it coloured. Colour matches really well. I met Danny for the first time. He's the new barber, absolutely fantastic. Trimmed my beard, really good attention to detail, did all the backs of my hair, did like a fade and stuff like that. So yeah, really happy with him. He's a good lad. So if you do have him in the future, yeah, you'll no doubt be happy with the result when you go in and see him. But yeah, just overall, I wanted to kind of really share like an overall experience since I've been going to Hair for All now nearly about a year. It's been great. They keep me company very well. It's keeping contact very well. Debbie's great, you know. Phil's great. Dan's great. Zoe's great. So yeah, they're all really good staff. They're really nice people to chat to. Again, I think if you guys are watching this video, if you haven't seen any other videos and you happen to watch this one and you are thinking about getting a hair system done, then yeah, I wouldn't hold off on it. I would definitely do it. It is life changing. It's changed it for me. I mean, you know, got a lovely full head of hair. Nobody really knows, you know, apart from close friends and family, that I wear a hair system. So yeah, it's great. It's a really good thing that I do recommend, and Hair for All will look after you every step of the way. So yeah, if you do it, then good luck, enjoy, and take care. Cheers, bye.